Okay, we're going to do a quick underbelly inspection of this 2019 F150. Let's take a look at the rust it has. This truck's running winters in West Virginia, and we're just going to check it out. I think it's kind of rusty, but yeah, we got a lot of rust starting on these spring hangers. I'll probably have to clean that up and seal it. The exhaust is probably going to be the first concern. This truck has 49,000 miles. You can see the rust starting on the frame. It's really kind of depressing. I've also got a 2019 Ram. We're going to be taking a look at it too in the future. So if you want to see how they compare, they're both in the same conditions. This truck has the huge gas tank, and my lift don't lift it up very high. Body looks great. Ford done a good job with the aluminum. Yeah, maybe not so great with the exhaust. I figure that's gonna be kind of loose. That aluminum drive shaft, it's not rusty. So the front of the truck's definitely looking better than the back so far. Front drive shaft's a lot of rust. See rust on the motor mount, but not really worried about any of that. It had a cardboard skid plate. Finally had to leave it off. It was hanging down like a wet noodle. So the front doesn't look bad. Alrighty, so if you get a Ford, this is probably what it's going to look like in, what, 4 years of salt country. Alright, don't forget, we'll do the Ram at a later date.